Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I decided to do up this sweet Asian chicken. Ever so good, great source of protein, and the thing is, it can be done in about 30 minutes. So you're going to love it. Let me show you how to do this, and let's get started. So I'm going to start here by making our delicious sauce by combining 1/3 cup of warm water to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a teaspoon of garlic, and this is just minced garlic, a sprinkle of pepper flakes just for that heat, and some ground black pepper. Take my handy dandy whisk and whisk this up. A whisking we will go until it's well combined, and then I'm just going to set this aside. Next up, I'm going to add some oil to a pan, and this is just olive oil over medium heat. And I'm going to have to say, guys, excuse my voice today, I'm a little hoarse. Add 3 chicken breasts in that I've cubed up. And of course, we'll salt this. And then add my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. Then I'm going to stir this up until it's nicely browned and cooked through and no longer pink. After about 10 minutes of frying, it's nicely browned, so I'm just going to add my yummy sauce in and bring this to a boil. Now I'm going to cover and simmer this for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, just look at this, guys. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, diluted in 2 tablespoons of water, and just stir and cook this for a couple of minutes until it thickens up. Smells so good. After a couple of minutes, the sauce is beautifully thickened, so we're just going to serve this up. Serve this up over a bed of hot steaming rice. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this in. Garnish this up with some green onions, just to give it that color. And sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top. And there you have it, guys, our sweet Asian chicken, absolutely superb and done in 30 minutes. Okay, so let's dig in. But look at me, guys, this is so good. It's spicy, it's sweet, the chicken's tender, perfect with rice.
For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching and subbing, and see you next time.